Hello everyone, welcome to Lisa Horton Crafts. My name is Natalia. Today I will show you how I've created a stepper card using a new nested pocket builder dies. So here I'm showing which dies I've used and elements of the die. And also we'll be using 3D embossing folder, BRICKWORK. So I've die cut lots of the pieces twice. And here I will be positioning a little die to the biggest pocket, and I will die cut the windows. So before that I'm just marking at the bottom 3.5 centimeters and 2 centimeters on the side, just to know where to position the windows. So I'm adjusting the die and securing with washi tape, and I'm die cutting. So here I've die cut twice, and now I will be adding the pocket to the embossing folder and embossing. So here I'm using Distress Oxide inks, and I'm adding inks with the brushes, and I'm using weathered wood oxide inks. So here are the little pieces, strips from the settle saw, which I've die cut, and now I will create some windows. So I'm adjusting those strips to the back of the pocket, and I will glue them with the wet glue. So here I will use yellow color, and I'll blend some inks. I'm using squeezed lemonade, and I'm adding blending color with the brush. And now I'm adding 3D foam pass to the house at the back for dimension, and I'm securing both of those pockets together. So here I'm just cutting away some on the side and at the bottom the white card. And for the roof I'm using frayed burlap Distress Oxide inks. And also I'll be adding Gran Espresso, just slightly darker color ink at the edge. Just a little bit. So here I'm just marking with the pen where I will cut. So I'm joining those two pieces together, and I'm positioning to the roof, and as you can see at the bottom little scallops, so I'm leaving two scallops on the side, and now I'm cutting them away. So now I will be cutting the white panel. So I'm adjusting with the brown roof, and I'm cutting away. So I will add here the white little panels to the roof with the double-sided tape. And I'm adhering them both together. So here I'm adding more double-sided tape to the house at the top, at the edge. And I will adhere the roof, trying to be sure that it's all at the center. And joining another panel together. So here I've die cut little heart from red card, and I'm just hiding away the lines, joint line. So I've cut out a A4 card measuring 10 centimeters wide, and here I'm creating a stepper card. So I'm scoring at 10 centimeters, 20 centimeters, 23, and I'm cutting away at 26 centimeters. Here I'm creasing the scored lines and creating little stepper card. So now I will be using EDGECUTZ dies, heels, and I've got a little piece of card and I'm cutting the heel. So now I will adhere the house to the card, and I'm positioning this house slightly higher from the scored line, like 2 centimeters. And here is the heel. So now I will add glue to the front of the card, and I will adhere this heel to the front of the card, and I'm gonna cut all the way around. I'm finding this way it's a lot easier, so I'm cutting all the way the heel. So here's a little heel in front of the house. I'm die cutting the sentiment with glitter card, and I'm using double-sided sticky sheet at the back. This way I'm finding it easier to add sentiments to the card. So I'm cutting the sentiment in half, and I'm adhering to the front of the card. So after I cut little flowers and some florals, and I'm adding them to the house. So here I'm using little sparkle gemstones, and I'm using the tiny smallest one, yellow color, and I'm adhering them to the center of the flowers. So here is the little stepper card. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more video tutorials. Take care, bye.